today we're going to check out some What I Eat in a Day's Raw Till 4, because I do a lot of critiquing of other diets, and it's great to see like people who are actually following the Raw Till 4 diet. So I want to see whether they are or not. I'm going to have a look at their TikTok What I Eat in a Day's on Raw Till 4 and give them advice where I see fit, and hopefully they're eating a lot of fruit and they're eating enough fruit. Okay, so let's check it out. I looked at the Raw Till 4 hashtag, and this individual, Kelsey, came up. What I Eat in a Day, high raw vegan. So let's check it out.
What I eat in a day is a high raw vegan. For breakfast, I had banana ice cream with 9 figs and 5 frozen bananas.
Yeah, good one.
Blended up. And then on top, I put raspberries from the garden.
Yes, that looks delicious.
And another banana.
There you go. I mean, that's a good example of how you can do it and make it like a lot of these other individuals are having like oats and stuff like that. Make the base banana and ice cream. Spread some fruit on.
Then for lunch, I had a medical medium heavy metal detox smoothie.
Okay, it's making the rounds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that's great.
With 5 bananas, frozen wild blueberries, cilantro, dulse, spirulina, and barley grass juice powder. And then for dinner, I had steamed potatoes and...
Right, so how many would that be? 500, yeah? 1,000, yeah? Okay.
And veggies with...
Great. Lots of potatoes, keeping it clean and lean. Got some greens, okay.
Dill and chives on top.
Dill can be great.
And a side of romaine lettuce. And it was a big old bowl, so good.
Wow, yeah, that is a decent bowl.
And I often get a lot of questions where my protein comes from, so I thought I would show you here that today and most days I was getting around 53 grams of protein.
Yeah, good.
And
there you go. It
the average
matter.
woman only needs 46 grams a day.
That's good. Shut them down with the chronometer. Yeah, so yeah, that's great. She got 2,400. I don't see much wrong with that at all. I don't know about the barley grass and the spirulina. Yeah, it's good to see if you actually, like, it just depends. I'm not against supplements. They do have their place for sure. But whether you need that or not is debatable. But lots of bananas, that's great. And she's got a smoothie in there. And she's got a lot of potatoes. She looks happy and healthy. Good job, Kelsey. Let's do another one from Kelsey. What I eat in a day using lots of food from the garden. I saw this and I'm like, great.
In a day using lots of food from the garden. I had a cucumber juice. And then I had another juice with cucumber and pineapple. Tons of cucumber from the garden.
Okay.
And then I had 7 bananas.
Yeah. Awesome.
And a bunch of romaine lettuce that I grew as well.
Wow, good on you. That looks beautiful.
And that was my breakfast.
Ah, very good.
For lunch, I had a smoothie with spinach, bananas, spirulina, and coconut water.
Okay.
And that was so delicious and
pretty
filling. And then I got started on my dinner. I made a big salad with cucumber, lemon, more cucumbers, tomato, onion, rosemary, and thyme.
Good big salad, yep.
I had a bunch of green
Wow, she grew this.
leaf lettuce and some steamed beets and baked Japanese sweet potato and everything.
You know how I love those baked Japanese sweet potato.
Except for the potato was from the garden.
Wow, that's amazing. Good on you, Kelsey. That is awesome. And the top comment, instead of saying, hey, wow, you grew like a lot of that food, that's amazing. Like, it's good that you didn't have to go to the supermarket for it. The top comment is, so where is the real meal? So where is the real meal? What a shame. Living the hamster life. I can barely finish one banana. No meat. Look at this. Hang on, let me pull it over here. No meat, your mum. Meat MWT. I'm sorry you get all the harsh comments. Yeah, that's how it goes. That's how it goes when you are doing something different from the mainstream, right? And especially when you're doing something healthy and you're slim, people just say, whoa, they lose their shit because they feel confronted by your high standards. They're like, oh shit, I need to pick up my own standards. Or actually, nah, fuck it, I won't pick up my own standards. I'll just insult her instead. And that'll make me feel better. You know what I'm saying? It's just, what a strange world.
Full week of eating.
Okay, full week of eating. Seriously, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Tell me in the comments below, why are you not on a fruit-based diet yet? Why are you not on Raw Till 4? This lifestyle it just is amazing. You know, I have been promoting a fruit-based diet for like 16 years because it's so freaking amazing. I wouldn't be doing this diet if it didn't work, if it didn't help me lose 40 pounds, keep me in great shape, my health great, and help many, many others do the same. I wouldn't be doing it. Okay, that should mean something to you. So I recommend you try it just for 30 days. I also do 30-day, also do 7-day coaching one-on-one. So that might be something you're interested in, but you can check out my books. There's a link in the description below. You can get the whole lot of my life's work for basically the price of dinner and a movie, you know, very cheap to change your life. And I just can't recommend it enough. And My Naked Lunchbox is a great transition book. Lots of lunchbox recipes. But yeah, the other fruit-based diet books are here. And you can get the bundle, which I highly recommend. Check it out. A link is in the description below. Jump on Raw Till 4 with us.
Day 4, raw vegan in the cut. Happy Saturday.
In the cut. Okay.
For breakfast, I'm having the most beautiful fruit cereal, I like to call it. It's berries, plums, coconut, hemp seeds, almond butter with the best almond milk. It's malt almond milk. It's so good.
Honestly, do yourself a favor and your energy, your skin, everything, and leave the almond butter out of your breakfast. I'm telling you, it's going to slow you down. Just take it out. The fat is going to slow everything. Trust me on this one.
Started my morning just in a really good mood and was getting...
Okay, so we got the music, unfortunately. Now we're not going to hear what she's saying, but we can still see. So she's having crackers. Alright, this is going a little bit more to less carbohydrate. You know, seedy crackers and then like some sort of very fatty-ish dip. Okay. A couple of grapes. These cotton candy ones, frozen. Yeah, we got a muesli bar thing and 1 banana. Right.
Always trying to tell myself...
And there's too much music. We cannot do that. And then she's got a wrap. These, yeah, that looks like something I've made before. These can be really yummy. Obviously, it's not a high carbohydrate thing. You've got to get in a whole lot of sweet fruit before you go for these gourmet raw. She's just really getting into that. Yeah, she's dancing. She's happy. But you got to get in a lot of fruit before you go for it. Yeah, that day needs some improvement, but good on her for trying. And just get more sweet fruit in. Okay, let's check out my buddy holistically, Erin. What she eats in day high raw vegan. Wow, that looks pretty good. 6 large mangoes, yes. Very good. Homegrown watermelon. Erin actually came from like being really heavy. She's lost a lot of weight. She's done so well. Pecans and dates. Wow, coconut and mango salad. Hello, that looks beautiful. I might have to try that combo. Coconut mango curry. Seriously, that does look good. I'm wondering what else she's eating here. Sorry, I just kind of like got distracted by that beautiful curry. So 6 mangoes. That is decent, okay? That could be around, 1,000 or so more calories. And this is a couple of hundred, It's not, I can tell it's not too sweet. It's basically water, so I don't like to count it for much. Dates and pecans, yeah, okay. So she's getting a couple of hundred calories there, yeah. Yeah, and with the curry, she's definitely getting over 2,000 calories, so that is great. Looks delicious. Go and follow her, Erin, she's amazing. Okay, let's have a look at the space, Ali and Hendry. What eating a day, high raw vegans. Check out what they're eating, that looks delicious. He's got the food shots down, hasn't he? Sapodilla and papaya with passion fruit. Yum, so good. Oh, hang on.
Passion fruit.
And we actually get sound here.
What we eat in a day is high raw vegans.
No
we
oil.
started the day with a sapodilla and a papaya with passion fruit. Later we ate 4 caimitos or breast milk fruit, followed by 4 huge
Oh wow, they look good.
yellow mangoes.
Beautiful.
We split a pineapple
Oh wow,
as a snack.
decent.
For dinner we ate a jackfruit coconut milk curry with
Oh wow. I'm inspired by the mango curry, now I'm inspired by the jackfruit coconut milk
some
curry.
seeds. What we eat in a day is high raw vegans.
Well done. And he's got the loop going, you know, where you don't know when the end of the video is. It starts again like this. Like,
What we eat today is
he is the
high raw
master.
vegans.
Henry is the Henry, yeah, is the master at doing that. Anyway, that's the video today. We highlighted some good rotiforas doing well, not having coffee, right? That's great. And yeah, fruiting themselves. We want to see more of that for sure. All right. Don't forget to go fruit yourself, and I'll talk to you soon.